Hey guys, today in this video, let's learn how to install the Google Play Store on your iPhone iOS. So is this actually possible? In this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so I don't really wanna be the bearer of bad news in this video, but I also don't wanna spread some fake news onto my viewers. But currently, if you go ahead and search is it possible to download the Google Play Store on iOS? Well, it actually tells us the reason over here why this is not possible. Because Android apps don't run on iOS. There's no way, of course, as of the current moment for us to run the full Google Play Store on an iPhone or iPad device. But of course, that actually is not the limit. Only the Google Play Store is not available on iPhone, but we still can use other applications as well. That is somewhat similar, like the Google Play Movies and TV app, Google Play Music, and Google Play Books. But as of the current moment, the Google Play Store, which provides Android applications to devices, won't be available in iOS, since of course, iOS has its own dedicated Play Store, or better known as the App Store, for you to download iOS applications. That is all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. So I hope you guys appreciate my honesty in this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.